Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the 1998 Carver 326 Port-O-Vino as she sits here at Marbella Condominiums in Destin, Florida. This boat is a freshwater beauty, having come down from Kentucky back in November of 2020. The carpet on the sun deck looks new. There are 3 fusions, 1 main and 2 remotes in 3 zones. One for the flybridge, one for the salon, and of course one for the cockpit. We're going to take a few quick steps up. Of course, here's our second fusion remote. We have a Raymarine depth, Raytheon radar. Starboard engine has 865 hours. And the port engine has 857 hours. And of course, true to form, all these Carver 325, 326s have an abundance of seating. Boat does come with a windlass as well as a spotlight. A particular note is this boat did sit on a lake undercover all of her life until November of 2020. That alone shows in the condition of the gel coat and the soft goods. Well, this is James Redding. I thank you for taking the time to view the 1998 Carver 326 Port-O-Vino here in Destin, Florida.